This is our algebra review. Today we're going to go through one problem from each one, and you're going to solve it using our 4 rules. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to post the rules on the top really small. So that would be number 1, to get the letter alone. Number 2, if you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other. Number 3, solve. And number 4, double check. We'll find that that works for every single problem we're going to do today on our review. So I'm not going to tell you which kind of problem it is. All I'm going to do is write down a problem. We'll do one or more of each, and my expectation is that you know how to do this. So the first thing is 3x is equal to 39. Pause and solve. Okay. First thing you need to do, number 1, get letter alone. So what are we doing to it? We're multiplying x by 3, so we need to do the opposite, which is divide. If we divide one side by 3, we have to do it to the other. So I get x is alone over here is equal to 39 divided by 3. 39 divided by 3. 3 goes in one time, goes in 3 times, it goes in 13 times. So x is equal to 13. I can double check. 13 times 3, does that equal 39? Yes, it does. So I've double checked. My answer is 13. Nice work. Me. Go me. I'm the greatest algebra person named Mr. Knight of all time. Okay, next problem. X minus 37 is equal to 12. Pause and solve. Okay, the first thing you need to do is get the letter alone. So we're subtracting 37 from x. We have to do the opposite. Plus 37. Crosses out. Do it to one side, you have to do it to the other. Plus 37. Solve. 49. Double check. 49. Okay, 49 minus 37, does that equal 12? Yes, it does. So my answer would be x is equal to 49. Good job, you, if you got it right. If you didn't get it right, you'll get the next one right. Next problem. The next problem is x divided by 5 is equal to 30. Now, I want you to think quickly. Your tempting answer is going to be 6, but 6 divided by 5 is not 30. So I want you to do it the correct way. Pause and solve. Okay, so if we do x divided by 5 on one side, we need to do the opposite. So we need to do it times 5. That cancels that out. If we do it to one side, what do we have to do? We have to do it to the other. So then I'm going to do 30 times 5. So 30 times 5 would be 150. Now, can we double check that? 150 divided by 5. Does that go? 5 goes into 15 3 times, 30. So that's correct. So x is equal to 150 is the correct answer. So our next problem is going to be x plus 13 is equal to 29. Pause and solve. So first thing we need to do is get that x alone. Minus 13 from this side. Do it to one side, have to do it to the other. This is getting pretty easy, isn't it? So our answer should be 16. X is equal to 16. Can we double check that? 16 plus 13. Does that equal 29? So that confirms that the answer is correct. And the shark gets to eating. You're welcome, shark. So I'm going to have one more for you to solve. Actually, I'm going to give you 4 to solve. And you will have to solve them for tomorrow. And those are your problems. So write them down. And make sure you have them solved for tomorrow. That's it. Thanks. Eat well tonight.